Microphone not working on iPhone. Change these settings. Maybe you want to access your microphone on some apps and it's not working on that particular apps. It might be that you do not grant access to that app to access your microphone. So this video will guide you to solve that process. Tap on settings, go to privacy and security, then tap on that is privacy and security, tap on it. Now tap on that, scroll up a bit until you see microphone. From the option here, tap on microphone. Now here are the list of apps that can access my microphone. So WhatsApp can access my microphone, TikTok can access my microphone. So you may decide to toggle off these apps. It means this app will not be able to access your microphone again. So if the app that you want to use is not here, then go ahead and uninstall that particular app on your device, then reinstall the apps again on your device. That will fix the issue of the apps not be able to using your microphone. Thereby, your mic will start working again on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.